If you ever have your faders down, yet still hear some channels in the mains, whether you're on an XR18, an X32, an M32, or even the Wing, then here is something to check for. And it's a common mistake to make. On the XR18, take a look at your bus masters, especially your monitor feeds. Click through each one, checking the main tab and looking to make sure the main stereo left-right button is not engaged. Now normally it should be engaged on subgroups, but definitely not on monitor feeds, stream feeds, fills, and so on. You can also see this here on mixing station. It's the same procedure in in-goal, just a different look. On an X32 or M32, select a bus master. Then press the home button and make sure the left-right button is not selected here. Again, subgroups will normally be assigned to the left-right, and that is correct. If you think about signal flow, it's obvious what is happening. You're giving the monitor sends a path to the main left-right outputs. I've not noticed this question coming up about the Wing as much, but the overall idea is the same. Select a bus master, then home, and then here. And then make sure you don't have a main send turned on. Again, with the caveat, this is talking about monitors, fills, streams, not subgroups. No matter what console you're on, it's not a bad idea to occasionally check for this on your scenes or snaps. It's an easy mistake to make, especially when you change a subgroup to something else and forget to unassign it from left-right. That is the kind of thing that can easily happen if you don't create a scene from scratch and instead build off an existing scene. Here's another video you might want to check out. Thanks to the patrons. Thanks for watching. Likes and subscribes always appreciate it. Comments or questions, leave those below, and I will see you next time.